Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually really excited because I'm heading over to Las Vegas in this week, at the end of this week. So by the time you guys will be seeing this video, I'll already be in Vegas and I'm really excited. I haven't had vacation in a really long time, but I'm definitely planning to do some vlogs while I'm there. So definitely subscribe down below so you don't miss those vlogs. Also follow me on Instagram because I do post a lot of fun reels and pictures and outfit inspirations and lots of handbag related stuff. So if you enjoy that kind of stuff, definitely follow me on Instagram. But all of that is for next week. As far as today's video is concerned, I have a Coach unboxing that I want to do with you guys. I went for shopping last weekend, which you would have known if you follow me on Instagram because I posted on there that I haven't had like a full day, like a full shopping day in a really long time. So I had that last week. And when it comes to Coach, I think I only have like one other bag from Coach. I really like Coach as a brand. I love their leather. I love their bags. But I feel like every time I go there and I try to buy something, I never really find anything that I want to walk home with. Like for me, when it comes to bags, I look at everything. Like I look at the style, I look at the color, I look at the price and see if it's something that I want to spend my money on. So I don't know, it's been a while since I bought anything from Coach. So this is indeed very, very special. It's a small bag and I'm gonna quickly show you. There's really no like mystery or anything like that. There's no dust bag or anything like that. It's just they just put the bag in here because I did get it from the outlet. So here is the bag. Here we go. So it's a very small bag. It's a tiny bag. And I was looking for something like this for a really long time. I mean, not that I was looking for something, but I have been gravitating towards smaller bags in the recent times because I really don't carry a whole lot. I carry very bare minimum, like maybe my little wallet and like sanitizer, lipstick, and like a little comb, and like really that's it. So I don't really buy big bags anymore, but this is basically what I picked up, and it does come with a long strap. Okay, it's stuck. All right, what am I doing wrong? All right, there we go. So it was stuck, but it does come with a long strap. That's what it looks like on the inside. It does have an adjustable strap like that. And inside is this really nice suede material. There it is on the inside. It's got a back slip pocket as well as a front slip pocket, just like that. There's nothing really else. There's no pockets or anything like that in the back. And both of these straps are in fact removable. So you can remove this one if you want, and you can just use this adjustable strap, or you can just use it just like this. You don't have to use both straps. But yeah, let me show you the straps. The strap is a little bit on the thicker side, especially considering like how small the bag is. It is adjustable. I still have plastic and stuff on it because I have not really taken it out and started using the bag yet. But basically, that's what it is. It does have this little, like I don't know what to say. I don't know how to call this, but there's a little hanging thing over here. And if you guys are wondering kind of the name of this bag, let me show you the tag. So there it is. And if you guys are wondering how much I paid for it, I paid about, I believe, $140 or $150. That is including the taxes. It was on sale. I think Coach is having additional 50% off. Yeah, I think Coach is having some good deals right now. That is in the outlet stores. I really don't know if the regular stores are having it too, but this is definitely an outlet bag. And I think what I really liked about this particular bag is that this Coach, you know, where it says here, this Coach is not like huge. I've noticed that a lot of Coach bags, especially the ones from like the ones from outlet, have huge Coach written on them, and I don't really like it. I don't find it very classy. I like it when it's small and it's nice. And yeah, that's basically pretty much my unboxing. It was a very quick one. I will be inserting some pictures and some matchas at the end in case you guys are wondering what this bag looks like. But I really do like it. It's not really white. It's more like an off-white color. And it's nice because I really don't have any other color or any other bag kind of this style or this color or this shape or anything like that. I'll definitely will be taking this with me to Vegas. That's what I'm planning to do when I have to walk a lot. I feel like this bag is just perfect because it's small. It's not going to get too heavy because it doesn't fit that much, and then the strap is a little bit thicker, so it's very comfortable too. But otherwise, that really does it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram handle in the description box as well as up here on the screen. And yeah, that does it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.